You're very cute. All right, show me how you do dinosaur train. Oh, well, the dinosaur's on the kitty. But she likes that. Adam, can you sing the dinosaur train song? He's sitting on my leg. That's why we were at an extreme close. Hey, be gentle to her. That's not dirt. She has cat dandruff.
Dirt.
It's not dirt. She's a nice girl. Adam. Dinosaur train. Dinosaur train. Dinosaur train. Can you sing it?
Yeah, go good.
Are we gonna ride?
Right.
Hey, and Adam, can you show me what what noise a train makes? Does it go woo woo? Can you show me with your arm? If it's on your head.
Cookies.
No, we're not doing cookie shoes. We're in the house. Hey, can you show me how you give Lulu a kiss? Oh, you're sweet. Oh, you're gonna give her a hug too?
Hug.
You wanna give me a hug? Kitties don't really like hugs, honey bunny. Especially not Lulu. Hey, do you have a little pink bunny there that goes hop hop? What's this guy? Front door's open.